Hey guys, what is up everyone? In today's video, we're going to be having a look at Thorchain. We're going to be doing a complete overview on how you could earn passive income. What is it? What is Thor Wallet DEX right here that we have? How can we make money and earn passive income in your sleep? We're also going to be having a look at some of the details right here. The decentralized and automated cross-chain liquidity network. Very, very fantastic. Have a look at some of the wallet details right here on iOS. And of course, technical analysis. We're going to be doing a short TA and basic TA on Rune, R-U-N-E. So let's have a look on CoinMarketCap first. What is Thorchain, R-U-N-E? Currently ranked 63. We got $2 billion market cap almost. Something that I really like, and it's this market cap to TVL ratio, 10.15. TVL is total value locked here, right here. Boom, you have it right here. Very beautiful. So 10% is locked, which is very nice. What is Rune? What is Thorchain? Thorchain is a decentralized liquidity protocol that allows user to easily exchange cryptocurrency assets across a range of networks without losing full custody of their asset in the process. With Thorchain, users can simply swap one asset for another in a permissionless setting without needing to rely on order books to source liquidity. So this is like an AMM right here. Boom, see AMM. Instead, market prices are maintained through a ratio of assets in a pool such as AMM. For those of you guys who don't know what an AMM is, it's like Uniswap, PancakeSwap. There's no order books, and that's about it. Now this is very interesting. Who are the founders? Well, the founders, there is a founder, but there's no CEO, no founder, no director. Instead, the further development of the platform is organized through GitHub. This is very interesting. Soon we're going to dive into the website. And how is Thorchain network secured, for those of you guys who want to know before you download and use the wallet? Of course, everyone wants to know that. Thorchain is built using the Cosmos SDK and is powered by the Tendermint consensus of mechanism. This keeps the network safe from attacks through a novel BFT proof of stake POS system that sees a large number of validators work together to propose and finalize blocks of the transaction. So this is how it is. This is how it works. Let's have a look at the website. Thor Wallet DEX, the only non-custodial wallet to swap native crypto asset across chains and earn passive income on them. Now what's crazy is that you could earn currently right now at the moment, if you download the app, which I will leave in the description below, you could earn 18% on your native BTC Bitcoin. Now a lot of people don't offer that. Binance doesn't offer that. Crypto.com doesn't offer that. 18% is extremely high. It's fantastic. And as we saw in CoinMarketCap, we have a 10.15 TVL locked, and it's currently ranked 63. So this coin is in the top 100. You could get it right here on the App Store and Google Store. I will leave both of these links in the description. 237 people participated in the IDO. Now there is another coin for the Thor wallet. It's called TGT. This is very new right here. TGT. Of course, it's a peg. It's not a peg. It's like saying, I can't really think of an example right now, but I would highly have a look at that as well. Robinhood on DeFi. Thor Wallet is the super app you've been waiting for. A non-custodial wallet that gives you full control over your keys. Swap coins across different native blockchains with no. So this is actually very interesting, because you could essentially swap Litecoin to Bitcoin, Bitcoin to not a Uniswap, Bitcoin to, if they have Uniswap, to BNB, and earn yield through providing liquidity or investing in the multi-chain saving account. Sorry. So what's interesting is that you can, like I said a few seconds ago, you could actually trade native tokens across different blockchains in a decentralized way. So before, even another AMM, you had to essentially, if you wanted to switch from A to B, not only do they take an extremely high fee on Uniswap, but it would be very complicated. With this, you don't have to go through USDT or pegged Ethereum or pegged USD or anything like that. Everything is done through the beautiful app that we have right here. So you could actually start right away by downloading this app, which I will leave in the description below. It's extremely fast and it's done through the app. So yes, MetaMask is not so well done on the app as an iPhone, of course, or iOS or Android. But you could start everything through your phone, and you don't need an extension like MetaMask right here, which is fantastic. That's very, very user friendly. I really, really, really like that. Anyways, you could also earn interest on your native assets either through providing liquidity or lending. Of course, it's coming soon right here, your crypto. So you could, as you guys can see right here, you could earn up to 18%, up to 12%, up to 14% on BNB and Ethereum. So this is very, very good. This is easily passive income. If you guys are holding your coins for a long term, I wouldn't see a reason why you guys wouldn't put your money on ThorChain. Community tiers right here to take advantage of premium features. Upgrade your Thor Wallet plan. Fantastic rewards are waiting for you. So as we know, guys, the higher you stake, essentially, the better you would the better rewards you would get. So let's have a look. TGT right here. If we go here on TGT, this would be essentially I believe it's 50,000 or 500,000. What did I see? Okay, I believe this is 50,000 because this is European. So this wouldn't be so much, as you guys can see right here. We'll do the calculation right here together. So 50,000 times 0.05. That's exactly $2,500. Now your investment can go up. Don't forget that, guys. Your investment could go up. So $2,500 for the highest community plus stake or reward program is fantastic. The perfect advanced plan right here. 800% TGT rewards APY, guys. I repeat that, 800%. Promotion is available until the end of the month. Or not at the end of the month, a few more days. Wow, we're January 18 already. So that's pretty cool. 0.0 liquidity fee, unlimited. So as we know, AMMs usually take liquidity fees right here, and you're essentially paying $2,500 for zero affiliate liquidity fee. Right here, again, zero affiliate trading fee. Fantastic. That is beautiful. I mean, look at this. The fact that they're offering this is very, very good, and it could only benefit you as a trader. If you guys love DEX, of course, this is for you. And then we could go on to the second plan, community stake, 5,000 TGT. The same reward plan right here, except there is a slight small fee, 0.3 affiliate liquidity fee, and of course 0.3 on the trading fee. Nothing too crazy. And then of course, if you have the standard, it would be 1% for liquidity and 1% for trading. Still pretty good. You could go ahead and stake now right now. Thor Wallet Army NFT collections. Now the good thing is you could actually have your NFTs on the app right here. Very, very safe. Once again, it is built on the Cosmos ecosystem, so it is pretty good. Good thing is, boom, look at that. These are on OpenSea right here, so you guys can also have a look at it on OpenSea during your free time. Make sure you go and do that. A few things that I want to have a look at right here is, of course, the Telegram. I mean, I'm not going to have a look at it, but you could go ahead and go through the Telegram right here and the Twitter, join the communities. I believe that they have 22,000 people following them, and this is just Thor Wallet DEX, guys. So the Thor chain is, I believe, 150,000 people. So this app is still young. This app is still new. There's still a lot of room to grow, in my opinion. And of course, Rune can still 10x from here, in my opinion. I mean, this is fantastic. Certic audit currently at $5.66. So pretty good. Let's have a look at the charts real quick. I mean, the charts do, if you're going to be investing and staking, then why not look at the charts? So we do have a slight support right here, which is pretty nice. We had a pump, a dump, an accumulation phase. So smart money will be accumulating. If we end up breaking the support level, we're most likely going to be coming back to $3.60. 13 cents. Sorry. Now, of course, this is not because ThorChain is a bad coin. It's of course because Bitcoin is dumping. And as you guys can see on the right side of my screen, when Bitcoin dumps, the whole market dumps. So this has nothing to do with ThorChain. A lot of coins nowadays are being traded against Bitcoin. So this is why Bitcoin dumps. Altcoins will bleed. There's no question about that. But good news is we do have a strong resistance right here. And we are still in the trend, guys. So as we know, the trend is your friend. This is a nice little beautiful trend line that we have right here going on. And we have 2 touches. So we had, this was the first touch. We had second touch right here, 3, 4 touches right here. So of course, guys, we are still in an uptrend. If we look at the macro time frame, we are still in an uptrend. Look at that. This is the daily, the weekly time frame right here. If we pop open the EMA ribbon real quick, we are below it, but that doesn't mean anything because overall we're still in the trend. And if we manage to really break below this trend line, then we could call it a bad news bears. But guys, before anything, none of this is financial advice, so always do your own research and due diligence. Let's have a look at the moving averages real quick on the daily, just to get an idea. So yeah, we are below the 200 moving average, but like I said, guys, it's only because of Bitcoin, nothing else. This coin can still go. Look at that. We were back in, what date was this? Back in the 17th of May, we peaked at $21. So this thing has been going down. This thing is 73% down. That's crazy. Imagine we go back up. That's a 300%, I believe. Look at that. Almost 300%, 260% gain from here. So this is the app, guys. Thor Wallet, DEX, DeFi.